Good afternoon from the Chardon Weather Center. Right here is the map, the latest GFS map, and it just shows you Saturday being a rather mild day from the mid-Atlantic right into the Ohio Valley with temperatures in the 50s and perhaps even a few 60s in spots. And it's going to be a nice warm interlude. I encourage anyone, if they have outdoor plans, to use them because the weather is going to be changing. It'll be changing drastically next week. On Sunday, we have a low pressure system north of the United States with its cold front heading down this way with rain spreading into the Ohio Valley, and they have their sights set on the mid-Atlantic, which would be probably sometime Sunday night into early Monday morning, and then clearing with temperatures starting to drop. So your highs Monday will be in the early morning hours and getting colder during the day Monday, so be ready for that as you head out to work. Tuesday, we have a sneaky little system that could possibly throw some rain or a rain-snow mix into the parts of the South Jersey, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., parts of Delaware, sometime during the afternoon, perhaps Tuesday. Something to look out for. It's not going to be much of anything, but there could be some precipitation. As Wednesday rolls around, the models start getting confused as to what's going to happen with the Wednesday-Thursday time frame. This particular model right here, the GFS, shows just a system coming down through the Dakotas and Minnesota heading towards the Ohio Valley with some light snows. Whereas another model, which I'm going to show you right now, the Canadian, shows a much different solution for the Mid-Atlantic. And this model, which I'm showing you right now, is the Canadian model for the same time period, and it shows a much different solution for the Mid-Atlantic with a big, well, relatively big storm with the rain-snow line real close to the I-95 corridor, and somebody could get plastered if this scenario takes place. Right now it's still early, it's still some 5 days or so out, so we have to just keep our eyes monitored on the situation because there is a divergence between the models. Just something to point out to you to keep your eye out, and I'll sort of have updates as the time passes through the weekend up to the possibilities of a possible big storm for the East Coast. Thursday should be a chilly day with some snow showers and snow flurries in the Mid-Atlantic region perhaps, and even some snow downwind from Lake Erie and the other big lakes with the cold air passing over from the fresh Arctic air with this high pressure system right over in here. Friday, we have another little system starting to gain some strength and some push down here in the deep south, something to watch out for, let's say, next Friday and Saturday. This is what the GFS is showing at some 174, 177 hours. Let me take a look and see what the Canadian is showing for the same time period. Right here we see the Canadian model for about the same time period, and this shows a completely different solution. So at this point, all I can really say is one thing we know for sure: it's going to be much colder next week, and there are 1 or 2 chances for some snows, especially in my region with clippers coming through every day or two with the northwesterly flow from the Arctic, and the Mid-Atlantic has to keep its eyes open because of the fact that there could be 1 or 2 coastal storms in the vicinity sometime next week from Tuesday right into Thursday, Friday. So that's it from the Chardon Weather Center. Thank you so much for watching my video.